Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to engage shoppers with modern WooCommerce product accordions. By using a well-organized product accordion, you can keep your pages clean and easy to scan, helping shoppers browse products smoothly without feeling overwhelmed. So let's get started. First, open a page and click the plus icon. Here you'll see two blocks, Product Accordion 1 and Product Accordion 2. Product Accordion 1 gives you two layout options to choose from. You can try different styles and see what works best for your content. It's all about flexibility and control. On the other hand, Product Accordion 2 keeps things simple. It comes with one design using a clean overlay style. For this tutorial, I'll use the Product Accordion 1 block. Once you have selected the block, choose a template and customize the design exactly the way you want. To do this, navigate to the Settings panel on the right. There, you will find the Query Builder, which allows you to control exactly which products appear in the accordion. You can also enable taxonomy filters, so customers can quickly find what they need. With button or list styles, along with flexible position and alignment options, filtering becomes fast and easy. You can display important product details such as featured images and product meta information. This helps build trust and allows customers to make faster, more confident buying decisions. You can also limit the title and content to keep the accordion clean and well-structured. This helps reduce clutter and makes the product information easier to scan. To make your accordions even more engaging, you can add smooth motion effects and animations. To learn more about this, watch our detailed video linked in the description. Once you're done customizing everything, click Publish. And that's it! This is how you can create modern, interactive WooCommerce product accordions that engage shoppers and help boost sales. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.